Hi, I'm Helge from HPR. Today we're going to have a look at the Billet 8HP oil pan kit. The oil pan kit comes, as you see here, with the billet oil pan, O-ring, stainless steel exhaust shield. This exhaust shield is really convenient and can be installed on either side of the transmission like this. It also comes with a filter kit, oil drain plug, which is stainless steel, and it also comes with a plug for the temperature sensor port. Why do you need a billet oil pan, you may ask? Especially in swapped cars, the oil pan sits in a very exposed position and is fairly low to the ground. And the position is also in the center of the car. The plastic oil pan usually cracks quite easily and is not a good solution for your 8HP swapped car. Having a billet item that can take large rocks, curbs is obviously beneficial. The serrated surface on the bottom increases strength and cooling efficiency. You can see the threaded tabs here for the oil pan, which is CNC machined as one piece, makes the entire oil pan stronger. The designed height of this pan is only 10 mm taller than the OE plastic pan, but yet it holds an additional 45% capacity of oil. This oil pan is very similar from other vendors as well. The reason for that is that many of the design features here was pioneered by HPR and has been copied by other vendors. We believe this solution with only 10 mm extra height together with a 45% increase in oil capacity is the overall best solution for a swapped 8HP. Another bonus with this kit is that it's the slimmest one on the market with a standard style oil filter. This oil filter can be purchased anywhere in the world.